Noki, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to review this new Urban Decay Naked Ultraviolet palette. So if you're interested, keep watching. Okay, now let's start looking at this ultraviolet palette. We start from the left hand side. The first shade, the lightest one, Tripping. It's a champagne beige, slightly shimmery. The second one, it's a matte shade, Might's Lip. It's a light peach. The texture is a little bit dry. I'm a bit worried there might be some fallout later. The third shade, it's a dual chrome color, Dazed. Coral peach color as a base with golden glitters, quite pretty. Okay, the fourth shade, another matte shade, Hacked. It's a light taupey purple. Okay, the fifth color, VR. This color, I would say it's kind of a trial chrome. You can see different colors of glitters. Peachy color as a base with blue, purple, green glitters. Quite colorful. The sixth color, Lucid. It's another dual chrome color. You can see green, blue, and white from different angles. This color is quite special. The seventh color, Optimized. This shade is quite close to matte texture. It's a light violet. The eighth color, another dual chrome, Warning. A pink with the blue shine. The ninth color, Cyberpunk. It's a very vivid purple with pink glitters. The 10th color, Euphoric. Another dual chrome color. Purple color as a base with blue shine. Okay, the 11th shade, Purple Dust. Dark black and purple with some pink, purple, silver glitters. Okay, the final shade, Digital. I think it's in between grayish and brownish. Slightly lean on the grayish side. It's a dark gray with a brown hint. Let's start trying on my eyes. I mean, when I ordered this palette, I haven't bought anything from Urban Decay for a while, so I was a little bit worried after trying all these very expensive, luxurious eyeshadow palettes such as Natasha Denona, what I'm going to feel when I come back to Urban Decay, because for the price, Urban Decay is like half or even a third of those expensive brands. When I try it, the color story itself, it's very creative. You can see some warm tone, neutral colors from one side. You can also see some cool tone, really bold color on the other side. There are 3 matte shades in this palette. 2 of them are more on the neutral side. 1 of them are more on the cool tone side, purpley side. The 2 neutral mattes, they are quite useful. You can use it as a base or you want to build up some depth on your eyes. For the other one, it's a lilac color, very light. I doubt you can see anything on my eyes because my skin tone is quite warm tone. With this kind of really cool tone purple, I don't think it will show much. There are 3, 4 of a duochrome colors. I couldn't say I never seen these kind of colors in other brand, other palette, but to put all of them together is quite creative, I have to say. I quite like the purple color combination that I didn't expect from myself. Normally for this kind of cool tone, really colorful purple, they are not something I would normally choose. If I'm going to choose purple, I normally would choose something more brownish, bluish purple, that kind of color. But the purples in this palette, a lot of really bold purple, that works really well and it's not as crazy as I would imagine. When I saw the pictures online, I was like, this palette looks very creative. I wasn't sure it would be a day-to-day palette, but when I try on my eyes, actually it works on both styles. So I'm quite happy with that. For the price, £43 for this 12 pan eyeshadow palette plus 1 eyeshadow brush. You got the blending side and the pointing color side, so it's quite handy. So here it is, 4 different eye looks with this Urban Decay Naked Ultraviolet palette. Let me know what you think, which eye looks you prefer, or what kind of color combination you used and you quite like, you want to suggest me. Leave a comment below and let me know. I will see you next time. Bye bye!